Imagine a world where factories operate with a level of efficiency and precision that surpasses human capabilities. Can you envision it? This is the potential of AI in the industrial sector. Factories today face numerous hurdles, from the constant tug-of-war between efficiency and quality to the unpredictability of breakdowns that lead to costly downtime. These challenges are not new. They've been part of the manufacturing landscape for decades. The difference today is that we have a new player on the field: artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to learn, analyze, and predict, can revolutionize the way factories operate. It can optimize production, ensuring that every process runs at peak efficiency. It can also predict when a machine might fail, allowing for proactive maintenance and avoiding unexpected costs. The potential of AI in factories is immense, promising a future where these challenges are a thing of the past. So the question is not if factories should implement AI, but rather when and how quickly they can do it. To illustrate the transformative power of AI, consider the case of a factory that has successfully integrated AI into its operations. This factory, once struggling with inefficiencies and frequent unscheduled downtime, took a bold step into the future and adopted AI technology. The first change was in production optimization. The factory began harnessing machine learning algorithms to analyze production data. These algorithms, like silent detectives, tirelessly combed through gigabytes of information, identifying patterns and trends invisible to the human eye. Through this, the factory was able to pinpoint bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas of waste in real time. As a result, they could make immediate adjustments to their production processes, leading to significant increases in efficiency and output. Next came predictive maintenance. With AI, the factory moved from a reactive maintenance model to a proactive one. Using sensors and AI algorithms, they were able to monitor the health of their machines continuously. This system could predict potential machine